What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. So today I was planning on starting off the video by washing the car again, but it's not really that dirty. It's just some dust. You guys can't even see it. It's not that bad. Assalamu alaikum, mama. Give it hal.
What?
And the wheels are a bit dirtier, so I might just use my Adams detailer spray. I gotta get some of that waterless wash, but yeah, the ground is wet because I just washed my dad's truck. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the detailer spray to do that. I went a couple days ago. I picked up the missing letters that flew off from the YouTube banner. So once we clean that up, we'll try to install it. And in today's video, we're also gonna be installing these. As I told you guys in the last video, my bad, hold on. We got sponsored by Ezlip Official. So bam, they sent us out. They came in really quick, actually. I think like 2 days. Side skirts, we're gonna try to install those. And they also sent us some goodies. Sponsor. Hold on, let me try to set this camera up over here in the trunk. What they sent us. Let's open this up. Looks like we got a lanyard, Ezlip Official. We got a lanyard, so we're definitely gonna be putting that on. What are these? I don't know what these are. Oh shit, this is an air freshener. We got an air freshener. I don't really like to use air fresheners, but we're gonna try these out. And then we got some decals. So I want to show you guys the decals that I have on right now. I have this one from Co-Performance. I told you guys the parts that I got. And then I also have these. Don't worry about these are gonna stay. This, another one, and then for my Jet Performance, that was the, what is that? The throttle body and the thermostat that I have. I'm thinking of either moving them completely or maybe just moving those and putting them over here, like putting all my decals over here, because I do have a couple more I just haven't put on. I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave your opinion in the description below. Should I keep it clean, move all badges, or should I just keep them up here? I have no idea. What's going on, man? What do we got today?
You know what? I don't think you got anything. Just the packages, and that was what you had today. Nope, you don't got anything.
Thank you, sir. So we're gonna put this away. We're gonna grab the detailer spray. We're just gonna quickly wipe it down, and then we're gonna try to maybe install those letters, and we'll see. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, and just like that, the car is all cleaned up. Like I said, you really can't tell on camera. What I noticed though about wrap and this detail spray, it cleans up so much nicer than the actual paint. Like especially over here, the rear bumper, and over here where it gets dirty the most, they cleaned up so much better. But now the plan is hopefully to install these. I'm trying to book an appointment to get a sun strip done, so that'll be on soon. It's gonna pop out so much better. But we gotta move this, the rest of the F, I and the F, we gotta install those. And we have a photo shoot later. Me and Spanish Juice. I'm gonna leave her excuse me. I'm gonna leave her details in the description below. Where's the letters on? Right here. I'm gonna try. I'm not really good with these type of stuff, so I'm gonna try to have vehicle skins do it for me. The guys that did my calipers, my center caps, and the diffuser. So yeah. Does it look matte red? That doesn't look matte red to me. Am I tripping, guys, or does this look like matte red to you? The same matte red that I have? Looks darker. Alright, I'm tripping. So for now, we're just gonna go ahead and install these. Let's get them out of here. So collect universal fit, extra easy installation, customized appearance, paint, body protection. So this is how it looks. It's got 3M tape over here. So basically it's gonna go, I don't know how I want to do it. Maybe like, what do you guys think, like this? Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. All across. And yeah. I'm gonna try to set up the camera, and if I don't, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, just like that, we installed them. They're really super easy. It gives it that nice look. I haven't pushed them down completely, or pushed it up, my bad. We gotta cut the excess off. But wow, that was really easy. Sticked on really nicely. And overall, looks good. Looks really good. That looks really nice, guys. It just completes the look. We got this going, then it continues, and then bam. Really like it. Very proud. So this is before, after. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys.
What's going on, guys?
Look who decided to drop in. He hasn't been in the videos recently.
Guys, look at this.
But like I was saying, guys, we got the side skirts installed. We also added this decal right here. It just makes it pop.
Oh yeah.
I'm really enjoying these. Huge thanks to my sponsor, guys. What are you doing? Oh. And then we got the other side on.
Low key, it matches the lip too.
It's killer. Yeah, I was telling them it matches. It goes like from the front.
Yeah.
Goes from the front to the sides to the back. We also added this decal. Oh, this one's coming
Let
off.
me say something to you.
Hold on. Let me finish. And then I'm like, F it. I just put on all my decals right here.
Sponsorship, baby. No 17-year-old does it best like this boy.
These Co-Performance, I told you guys, I got my parts from him. Ezlip, sponsored by them. I got partial sponsorship with them.
Here, spoiler
sponsored parts and just a decal. I want to try to take this one off. I don't need another one of this, so this one can get thrown away because I already have one there. We're gonna try to save this one.
It's highly doubtful for to save that Jet Performance one.
But we're gonna try. This is the car right now. Oh yeah, I also got the lanyard, like I told you guys.
Decal lanyard.
What do you want to say?
Let me talk to these boys. All right, boys and girls. So you see whoever did the rap for him? Not gonna lie, it's a nice rap. But when you need him right away, my man don't answer. He's bad on this. Look, his I and his F fell off. So he texted him and told him, you know, I need that, like, I need to fix them. So he told him, all right. And then, so Lou, I hit him up, told him, I'm 40 minutes away from where you at. So I need the stickers. Man, you can put them off for me. My man wasn't there. They waited 30 minutes for him and he wasn't there. And then his boy decides to open up the door and just gave him these. Didn't put them on for him, gave him them, and just, you know, dipped. So it's annoying when you pay money for this type of stuff and you don't get what you deserve, you know.
Guys, I just came back from the backyard and I kind of heard what he was saying, but Austin really pissed me off when I went to pick him up. I went Saturday. I went to pick up the letters, right? I made an agreement with him to go. I texted him. We're like, yeah, we're gonna go. I'll see you there this time. like I told you guys before, or I don't think I have told you, but I live in Dearborn. He's in Sterling Heights. That's about 40 minutes away. And I don't want to keep driving up there. I really don't.
A lot of gas, man.
A lot of gas, a lot of miles. I don't want to keep doing that. So I went, right? And I waited and I waited. I didn't see his car. I texted him. I called him. No answer. He really pissed me off. And then his boys came out. They gave me the decals. I told them, can you install them for me? He's like, man, he just told me to give them to you. I'm like, all right, whatever. So I just took them and I dipped. Now I gotta install them. So that was very annoying, because like he was saying, I paid a lot of money for this wrap. As a 17-year-old, I look at it as a lot just to go into one car, you feel me? But I think that was a little disrespectful on my end, or on his end.
And look, it's peeling.
No way.
It's peeling.
Oh, we're gonna go back.
Like why? You're supposed to be a professional in this. You're gonna charge someone over, let's say, I'm just gonna say over $1,000.
Like for example, these calipers, I got them wrapped by Vehicle Skins a couple. How was it? Like
when you first got the car.
Really?
Yeah. As soon as you got the car, you're like, you hit
almost a year, guys. I've had them calipers almost a year. No peeling. They peeled maybe the first month. They hooked them up, but look at this. Like, it's a freaking caliper.
Which gets old, like it heats up.
It heats up, it's supposed to come off. And they're beautiful. They've been on there for the whole year. But let's stop talking about him.
One more thing.
Let's leave him alone, man.
A man uses too much heat on the wrap. I know you could see the discoloration. Got it right here, got it all along here, got it all along the front ends. Well, let's shout out to my boy Luai. He started this trend on diffusers for cars. I know that for a fact, because when he first got them, everybody else started going to Vehicle Skins for these. The pinstripes. He started this trend. And look how beautiful they look.
Alright, you guys want a cold start?
Let's get this cold start
Not
moving.
even a cold start.
It's a little warm start. How about that?
Music to our ears. And it sounds camp. Alright, boys and girls. I don't think girls watch me, but alright, boys. We made it here to my boy's house, and we already got the co-performance one off. We're just getting the excess glue and shit off. Now we're gonna try to save this one. Hopefully. What do you think, boss?
Yeah.
Saving it?
Yep.
Bet. We gotta see, the only reason I like putting these decals on is this car won't be this car without these people and these companies. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only reason I like doing this. Oh, you broke something.
I keep stepping on it.
Alright, you do this one.
I don't know how you want it.
Alright, try your best.
Like this?
Alright, never mind. Here, come hold the camera. I like everything my way. Alright, and that's wraps, people. What do you guys think? It looks clean, just the one side. I like it. What do you guys think? I'll be taking these off, and I'm getting some new ones. It's gonna fit this whole glass piece there for both sides, so more people will see it and more people will follow me. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. And I think that's gonna be it for right now. Once again, man, I am in love with these damn side skirts, man.
He's so happy he can't talk to you.
They look really nice. It's just a nice touch, man. Shout out to the lighting trends. These lights are crazy, man. What's up, everybody? It's a couple hours later. Unfortunately, Vehicle Skins was unable to take me today. They said they were out of the shop. It did start raining here in Michigan, so photo shoot was canceled, and me and the boys just hung out for the rest of the day. But unfortunately, that's gonna be wraps for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed them side skirts, man. Shout out to Ezlip. They look great. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting on them decals, show you guys what the car consisted of, and where we got most of our parts from. And that's about it. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you subscribe, comment something in the comment section below, make sure you turn on post notifications, and it's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace out.